I don't know about you, but for me, I've spent a lot more time the last 5 or 6 months dealing with the effects of this drought and the volatile markets than I have worrying about what's going on in Washington, D.C. And that's why I'm a member of Ncba, because I know that while I'm walking these pastures, we've got a team of people walking the halls of Congress representing my best interests. We've got an update on what's happening in Washington, D.C. in this week's Beltway Beef Spotlight.
A fire at a Tyson beef processing facility in Kansas last August and the COVID-19 pandemic of this year created some of the most extreme supply chain disruptions and volatile cattle markets in memory. These black swan events emphasize the importance of implementing a sound risk management strategy on your operation. There are a multitude of risk management products and services available to farmers and ranchers through the Farm Bill, the CME Group, and private enterprise. Some producers may find value in programs administered through the United States Department of Agriculture, which offers whole farm and livestock-specific products. For example, the Risk Management Agency administers the Pasture Range and Forage Program, which is designed to help protect a producer's operation from the risks of forage loss due to the lack of precipitation. RMA also administers the Livestock Risk Protection Plan, which is designed to ensure against unexpected declines in market prices. LRP is available to both producers of both fed and feeder cattle and is available in most states. USDA recently made changes to LRP to ensure affordability and flexibility for cattle producers. For more information on the Farm Bill products available through USDA or to find an agent, visit rma.usda.gov. As many know, hedging with cattle futures is another option to producers of feeder and fed cattle. The CME Group offers cattle producers the ability to utilize the futures and options market to protect against price risk in the cattle markets. Futures contracts are available for feeder cattle in the contracts of 50,000 pounds and live cattle in contracts of 40,000 pounds. CME also allows hedgers to utilize options to further protect themselves with risk associated with rapidly shifting prices. For more information on managing risk with livestock futures, visit cme.com. Ncba remains committed to ensuring that cattle producers have access to the tools they need to run viable businesses and are constantly engaging with our partners on Capitol Hill to that end. Recently, Congressman Dusty Johnson of South Dakota introduced the Livestock Risk Management and Education Act. This legislation, which is supported by Ncba, would provide federal assistance to USDA and land-grant universities so they can better help you make the best risk management decisions for your operation. The bill has been introduced in the House and is awaiting a hearing in the House Agriculture Committee. You can find out more information about USDA programs, futures and options, or other risk management tools by reaching out to a cooperative extension agent or by contacting the Ncba office in Washington, D.C.
If you'd like to stay up to date on all the key issues and events from Washington, D.C., one way is by becoming a member of Ncba. When you join, you'll get the Beltway Beef newsletter, a weekly update straight from Washington that provides valuable insights on the key policy initiatives that may impact your business. To join, just call 866-233-3872 or visit the website ncba.org.